William Ruto. This William Ruto has refused to make the government or his regime to function. He is the single minister of roads, he is the minister of water, he is the minister of health, he is the minister of culture, he is the minister of sports, he is the minister of everything. Ruto, please, let your ministers also work. Me, I don't even know them because I don't know what they do. And then, I also want to tell Ruto something else. Ruto, I also want to ask you to say the truth for once. Because whenever you move around, you promise so many things. So you even promise, Ruto, you even promise things which are devolved, like health. You come and say you are going to do health. Things which belong to the governors, Ruto says he is going to do. And then to make it worse, he never fulfills any of those promises he makes. Ruto, for once, when you came here, Ruto, you promised us that the contractors on all our projects in Siaya were going to be back to those projects within 3 weeks. Now it is almost 1 year. The road to Leonda from Bondo is still looking at us, staring at us. There is no contractor. The bridge in Usenge is still staring at us. There is no contractor. The road going through Jim's place in Ugenya is still looking at us. The contractor ran away because you have refused to pay them. All the monies which you should use to pay them, you are using to fly all over the world. Tomorrow you are in France. The next day you are in America. The next day you are in Congo. The other day you are where? All your ministers moving all over the world. So there is no money to implement projects. All the monies are being used for recurrent expenditure. So, okadwa medo, kawuno ka en chieng siasa, kawuno jodalawa en odiechieng mar budho, koro mi atieko kamano. Now allow me to finish and leave this microphone to my brother, to Baba, to continue. Thank you very much.
Hello. Hello. Nitie nyako moro ka osechung' kamoro ka to wacho nitie gimoro no wacha kochung' ka